Hi guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to swap your Ethereum for Solana using Phantom Wallet. Now, I'm going to use the Chrome extension, and all you want to do is go to the little swap icon, and inside of here, you'll see your Solana or your Ethereum. You want to select the tokens you want to swap, choose your amounts, and from there, you will see the conversion, you will see the provider, you'll see the price, and you'll also see the fees. Make sure you're happy with the fees as they can be very high swapping between networks. And Phantom Wallet also charges its own fee of 0.85% of that transfer. Now, also make sure that you have set up your slippage just in case you end up getting a bad deal here. And that's it. Where mine says insufficient funds, yours will say swap, and you can complete the swap. Thanks for watching, and do consider subscribing to the channel.